You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. In English, you're gonna have two slightly different pronunciations. Maverick with a V syllable in the middle, but this syllable, you don't really have to insist on that V sound, so you can say Maverick with a stress on the first syllable, Maverick, Maverick, or you can entirely skip that V syllable and say Maverick. Especially in the US, it's more generally pronounced as Maverick. That's your English pronunciation here. Maverick or Maverick. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.